I'm having difficulty with Excel reading Amplitude's CSV export. I have to manually edit the file and remove blank and tabs.
So when you export Amplitude CSVs, I believe by default, there's this space in between a prefix to all the values where there's like this indent or space. And it is kind of weird at first, but I was told that we designed it that way because it's less susceptible to attacks.
I believe that we've changed it on new accounts, but you're likely on the older version that doesn't default to that. So you can actually remove this. So if you enable this, it will remove all of those spaces, and then that'll give you what you're looking for, I believe.
Yeah, and just to clarify, there is a space, and then the other character I had in that sticky was quotes. So it's inserting quotes around the values. Now, I don't know whether this is because I'm exporting a data table and that
Mhm.
is doing something funky, but
Hmm.
basically what I have to do is I have to download the CSV, clean those elements out, and then pop them, and then I can open it with Excel.
Yeah, I would try this first. I think it
Mhm.
resolves that as well, but I would start there and see. And
And
then,
you're on the profile. Okay, so I just go
yeah,
on
so
the
if you go
profile.
into personal settings. So you click the gear and then go to personal setting.
Okay,
And if you just scroll down here, you'll see it under site settings.
perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Actually, I'm gonna just take a screenshot of this.
Yeah, I also encountered that once myself. I'm like, why are there so many spaces?